Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Nicholas Kevin Mono. Today I will perform a consecutive interpreting practice for my interpreting course. The speech that I chose is Denzel Washington Fall Forward Commencement Speech, which is about motivation, taking risks, and learning from failure. I will interpret each sentence from English into Indonesian consecutively. Thank you, and please enjoy my interpreting performance.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks.
Saya menyadari bahwa tidak ada hal berharga dalam hidup tanpa keberanian mengambil resiko.
Nothing.
Tidak ada sama sekali.
Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small."
Nelson Mandela pernah berkata, tidak ada semangat sejati kalau kamu hanya bermain aman.
In settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living.
Ketika kamu puas dengan hidup yang lebih kecil dari potensi yang kamu miliki.
Now I'm sure your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on.
Saya yakin pengalaman kalian di sekolah saat mendaftar kuliah, memilih jurusan, dan bahkan menentukan apa yang ingin kalian lakukan dalam hidup. Saya yakin banyak orang menyarankan kamu untuk selalu punya rencana cadangan kalau gagal. Pastikan kamu punya sesuatu untuk dijadikan pegangan jika gagal.
Make sure you got something to fall back on, honey. But I never understood that concept.
Tetapi saya tidak pernah benar-benar mengerti konsep itu.
Having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything except my faith.
Kalau saya akan jatuh, saya tidak ingin jatuh ke belakang pada apapun, kecuali pada iman saya.
I want to fall forward.
Saya ingin jatuh ke depan.
I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit.
Dengan cara ini, setidaknya saya bisa melihat apa yang akan saya hadapi.
Fall forward. This is what I mean. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times in his career, the most in the history of baseball.
Reggie Jackson gagal memukul bola sebanyak 2.600 kali dalam karirnya, jumlah terbanyak dalam sejarah baseball.
But you don't hear about the strikeouts.
Tapi orang tidak pernah membicarakan berapa kali dia gagal.
People remember the home runs.
Orang-orang hanya mengingat pukulan home run-nya.
Fall forward.
Jatuhlah ke depan.
Thomas Edison conducted 1,000 failed experiments. Did you know
Thomas Edison melakukan 1.000 percobaan yang gagal.
that? I didn't know that.
Apakah kalian tahu?
Because the 1,000 at first was the light bulb.
Karena percobaan yang ke-1001 justru menghasilkan bola lampu.
Fall forward.
Jatuhlah ke depan.
Every failed experiment is one step closer to success.
Setiap percobaan yang gagal adalah satu langkah lebih dekat menuju keberhasilan.
You've got to take risks, and I'm
Kalian harus berani mengambil resiko.
sure you probably heard that before. You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it.
Kamu akan gagal dalam hidup ini. Terimalah itu.
You will lose. You will embarrass yourself. You will suck at something.
Kamu akan kalah, kamu akan malu, dan kamu akan gagal dalam beberapa hal.
There's no doubt about it.
Itu sudah pasti.
I'm telling you, embrace it because it's inevitable.
Saya katakan kepada kalian, terimalah kegagalan itu, karena kegagalan adalah sesuatu yang tidak bisa dihindari.
And I should know. In the acting business, you fail all the time. Early on in my career, I auditioned for a part in a Broadway musical. Perfect role for me, I thought. Except for the fact that I can't sing.
Kecuali fakta bahwa saya tidak bisa bernyanyi.
I didn't get the job.
Saya tidak diterima saat itu.
But here's the thing. I didn't quit.
Saya tidak pernah mundur.
I didn't fall back. I walked out of there to prepare for the next audition, and the next audition, and the next audition.
Saya datang untuk audisi yang kedua kalinya, untuk audisi selanjutnya, yang selanjutnya.
I prayed. I prayed.
Saya berdoa, dan saya terus berdoa.
And I prayed. But I continued to fail.
Dan saya berkali-kali gagal sebelum sampai di titik ini.
Fail and fail, but it didn't matter because you know what? There's an old saying, you hang around the barbershop long enough, sooner or later you're gonna get a haircut.
Dan dari situ saya belajar satu hal, kalau kamu cukup lama berada di tukang cukur, cepat atau lambat kamu pasti akan dapat giliran cukur.
So you will catch a break, and I did catch a break. If you don't fail, you're not even trying.
Jika kalian tidak pernah gagal, berarti kalian bahkan tidak berusaha.
I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. My wife
Saya katakan sekali lagi, jika kalian tidak pernah gagal, berarti kalian bahkan tidak berusaha.
told me this great expression. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did.
Untuk mendapatkan sesuatu yang belum pernah kalian miliki, kalian harus melakukan sesuatu yang belum pernah kalian lakukan.
Les Brown's a motivational speaker. He made an analogy about this. He says, imagine you're on your deathbed.
Oke, bayangkan kalian sedang berbaring di ranjang kematian.
And standing around your deathbed are the ghosts representing your unfulfilled potential. The ghost of the ideas you never acted on. The ghost of the talents you didn't use. And
Oke, dan coba di sekeliling tempat tidurmu berdiri roh-roh dari ide, dari mimpi, dan bahkan yang tidak pernah kamu wujudkan.
they're standing around your bed, angry, disappointed, and upset. They say, we came to you because you could have brought us to life.
Mereka berdiri di sana, menatapmu dengan marah, kecewa, dan berkata, kami datang kepadamu, hanya kamu yang bisa mewujudkan kami.
And now we have to go to the grave together. So
Dan sekarang kami harus mati bersamamu.
I ask you today, how many ghosts are going to be around your bed when your time comes?
Berapa banyak hantu saat waktumu sudah berakhir?
So you got to get out there. You got to give it everything you got, whether it's your time, your talent, your prayers, or your treasures. So the question is, what are you going to do with what you have? I'm not talking about how much you have. Some of you are business majors, some of you are theologians, nurses, sociologists. Some of you have money, some of you have patience, some of you have kindness, some of you
Kebaikan,
have love.
Kekayaan.
Some of you have the gift of long suffering. Whatever it is, whatever your gift is, what are you going to do with
apa yang akan kamu lakukan ketika kamu sudah memiliki semuanya?
what you have? Sometimes it's the best way to figure out where you're going. Your life will never be a straight path. And I can't think of a better message as we send you off today. To not only take risks, but to be open to life, to accept new views, and to be open to new opinions. Because the chances you take, the people you meet,
Orang-orang yang kamu temui, setiap kesempatan yang kamu temui,
the people you love,
orang-orang yang kamu cintai,
the faith that you have, that's what's going to define you.
itulah yang akan membentuk diri kalian.
Never be discouraged. Never
Jangan pernah menyerah, jangan pernah mundur,
give everything you got.
berikan segalanya, kerahkan semua kemampuanmu.
And when you fall throughout life, and maybe even tonight after a few many glasses of champagne, remember this. Fall forward.
Fall forward. Oke. Jatuhlah ke depan.